and they are selling thousands. Hey folks, welcome. I'm Kyle, and this is Bathroom Marketing. So what I'm gonna show you guys today is I'm gonna show you how to make $5 in 10 minutes. It's a pretty cool twofer. I'm actually gonna show you how to make YouTube thumbnails super quick and so that you can use them for yourself. Or you can just sell them for $5 a pop. They take 10 minutes, they're super simple, and tons of people wanna buy them because they don't wanna do the work. So let's get into it. All right, so we're gonna start here. This is canva.com. It's free, totally free. There's higher pricing tiers, but don't do it. The free account can get you whatever you need. So sign up for your free account, canva.com. All right. Now, once you get in here, go ahead and go to templates, and we'll go right down here to YouTube channel art. That's going to be our thumbnail. So click that. All right, and here's a ton of pre-made templates. Let's search through here and find something that speaks to us. Let's grab this guy here. All right, and use this template up here on the right. Cool, so now we've got a little structure to work with here, and watch how easy this is to just edit. You just start clicking on stuff. It's so simple. So watch this. Boom, edit these words right here. We'll say, let's make $5 in 10 minutes. Hey, if you're liking this video, please hit the like button, subscribe button, and you can even check me out on TikTok at ZonaKyle, at ZonaKyle. Make thumbnails. Oh, fun and profit. Sure, that sounds great. All right. Now we're gonna change this picture. You don't want this one. You can hit delete. All right. Now you can go over here on the left side. You can click photos and you can choose from a bunch of stock photos if you want, or you can go to uploads and you can upload your own pictures. So let me just grab this guy here. Boom, it pops right over. You can drag it around. Put it over here. You can resize it. You can still move it away if you want. Maybe just a little smaller, huh? Maybe we can. Oh, you know what? Let's just move this guy over a little bit. Bam, bam. Maybe we put him up just a little. All right, and now I can get this picture down. Move it over just a little. All right. And then the background color, let's do something other than army green. So look up here in the kind of upper left of the screen right here. I just click on this green, and then we can pick whatever we want. Like a blue or whatever speaks to you. Bam. Click there, hit download, and we're done. Now that you see how simple it is, you can get them for yourself in 5 minutes, or you can sell these for $5 a pop on Fiverr.com. Let's check that out. Okay, so you just go to Fiverr.com right here, and now watch this. YouTube thumbnails. So when we search YouTube thumbnail, it pops us over here. Now just scroll down here with me and check this out. People do thumbnails just like what we did, and they sell them for $5 to $10. And they are selling thousands. And that's it, folks. It's that simple. There you go. If you want to clone my business, do it how I'm doing it. Click the link down below. That'll take you to my website, and it'll teach you step by step my business for free. So check that out as well. I'll see you guys next time.